When you have to install a signboard outdoors, you need to ensure that your print is weatherproof. It should be resistant to rain, dust, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. And this print that I'm holding up in my hand is a fully weatherproof print. For example, the vinyl on top is resistant to heat from minus 40 degrees to plus 90 degrees centigrade. It's virtually impervious to rain and sunlight, which means that the vinyl will not crease or wrinkle as time goes by. It's going to look as fresh and pristine even after years of use. Moreover, the print is mounted on a aluminium composite panel. This ACP sheet is made out of a composite of aluminium foil and rubber, which means that it is not going to rust like iron. And since the print is mounted on a metal sheet, it's not going to crack or break either. Weatherproof prints are a must for outdoor locations like signages on top of a building or direction signs on the roads. And for more such interesting solutions on printing and signages, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.